Best camera stabilizers. Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durable build, customizable layout, and overall value. Similarly, filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators demand camera stabilizers that deliver smooth, professional footage while being reliable and ergonomic. When evaluating stabilizers, key considerations include build quality, weight, compatibility with cameras in smartphones, ease of use, and value for money. This guide reviews 5 of the best camera stabilizers on the market, offering a mix of handheld and gimbal options for creators at every skill level.
Product number 1. Z-Audio Camera Stabilizer Handle Grip Handheld Stabilizer. The Z-Audio Camera Stabilizer is a compact and versatile option for filmmakers and vloggers seeking smooth handheld footage. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended shoots, while the adjustable balancing mechanism keeps DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or action cameras steady. Lightweight and portable, it is ideal for travel or outdoor filming without adding bulk to your gear bag. Users appreciate the simple setup. Attach your camera, balance it using the sliding plate, and begin shooting. Though it lacks motorized stabilization, the mechanical design effectively reduces shake and jitter for most casual and semi-professional applications. Its durable construction provides long-term reliability, and it is compatible with a variety of cameras and accessories thanks to multiple 1/4-inch mounting points. For content creators seeking an affordable, manual solution to improve handheld video quality, the Z-Audio Handle Grip Stabilizer offers excellent performance, portability, and value.
Product number 2. DJI RS3 Mini 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for cameras. The DJI RS3 Mini is a professional-grade 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed for mirrorless and compact cameras. Its lightweight and compact design make it highly portable, while still delivering precise stabilization and smooth cinematic motion. The gimbal supports active tracking, time-lapse, and motion-lapse features, providing creative flexibility for filmmakers. Users can quickly balance their camera using the quick release plate, and the intuitive joystick and touchscreen interface make control straightforward. The RS3 Mini handles tilts, pans, and rolls with minimal vibration, ensuring polished footage even during movement or handheld shots. Its robust construction and high battery life make it reliable for long shoots, while compatibility with accessories like extension rods and smartphone adapters enhances versatility. This gimbal is ideal for professional vloggers, travel filmmakers, and content creators seeking superior stabilization without the bulk of larger rigs.
Product number 3. 3-shoe DSLR mirrorless action camera camcorder phone stabilizer. This 3-shoe stabilizer is a multifunctional option designed to support DSLR, mirrorless, action cameras, and smartphones. The multiple mounting points allow users to attach microphones, LED lights, or other accessories, making it perfect for hybrid shooting setups. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handheld operation, while the adjustable balancing system helps minimize shake during movement. Lightweight yet sturdy, the stabilizer provides a stable shooting platform for interviews, vlogs, and action sequences. While it is manually operated and lacks motorized gimbal features, the combination of grip, counterweights, and customizable configuration allows for smoother footage than handheld shooting alone. It is especially suitable for creators looking for an affordable and flexible stabilizer that accommodates multiple devices and accessories. Overall, the 3-shoe stabilizer delivers versatility, reliable build quality, and convenience for on-the-go filming.
Product number 4. Camera Handle Grip 1/4-inch camera handheld stabilizer with wrist strap. This handheld stabilizer handle grip is a simple, lightweight solution for reducing shake while filming with DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or small camcorders. The 1/4-inch mounting screw ensures broad compatibility, and the included wrist strap adds extra security during handheld operation. Its ergonomic grip allows comfortable use for extended periods, while the solid aluminum construction ensures durability and stability. This stabilizer is particularly suited for vloggers and hobbyist filmmakers who need a portable and easy-to-use solution for smoother handheld footage. Although it doesn't feature gimbal motors or advanced balancing mechanisms, the grip effectively reduces minor shakes and vibrations, delivering noticeably steadier shots compared to bare handheld filming. Its compact design makes it ideal for travel, casual shooting, or secondary camera setups, offering a reliable and budget-friendly stabilization option.
Product number 5. Zhiyun Camera Handheld Stabilizer with Smartphone Video Cage Rig. The Zhiyun Handheld Stabilizer with Smartphone Video Cage Rig combines the benefits of a stabilizer with a fully integrated cage system for phones. It is ideal for mobile content creators, vloggers, and social media influencers who want a steady and professional-looking shot from their smartphone. The cage provides multiple 1/4-inch mounting points for lights, microphones, or other accessories, enhancing production versatility. Its adjustable counterweight system helps balance the rig, reducing shake and providing smooth, cinematic movement. Lightweight and portable, it is easy to carry on the go, yet the ergonomic handles allow comfortable long-duration filming. While designed primarily for smartphones, it can accommodate lightweight action cameras or small mirrorless cameras with adapters. For creators seeking an all-in-one mobile filming solution that improves stability and production value, the Zhiyun smartphone rig is an excellent choice.